All right, for our first problem today, we're going to be talking about Sienna, and she is drawing some stars. Sienna draws 7 rows of stars. In each row, she draws 4 stars. How many stars does Sienna draw in all? Use a letter to represent the unknown and solve. Okay, first thing I'm going to do, at any point, if you would like to do this problem with me, I strongly encourage you to do so. Pause the video and go ahead and solve the problem, then come back and watch, or just pause along as I go. I've got my RDW, so I already read it like a reader. Now I'm going to read it like a mathematician. So I'm going to underline the important information. You can highlight if you want. 7 rows of stars. In each row, she draws 4 stars. How many stars does Sienna draw in all? I'm going to underline how many and in all. Use a letter to represent the unknown and solve. Okay, I did my reading. Check. Now it's time to do my drawing. Now the first thing I'm going to do is I am going to draw this out. All right, there is my picture. Now it's not perfect, but you can definitely tell that I have 7 rows and that I have 4 stars in each row. Now, before I continue, I want to look at this last part of my question. Use a letter to represent the unknown and solve. Now, I know that Sienna has 7 groups of 4, but I don't know what it equals. So I'm going to do a letter S, which kind of looks like a 5, but it's an S. I'm going to do a letter S for my unknown because it's stars. Now it's time to solve. And I am going to solve this by skip counting today. I am going to skip count by 4s. And then I'm going to show you how you can skip count by 7s. So if I skip count by 4, I'll start here. I have 4, 8, count with me, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28. That's how I count by 4s. Now what if I want to count by 7s? I have 7, 14, 21, 28. So S, for stars, remember it's not a 5, equals 28. I did my drawing. Now all I need to do is my writing. Sienna drew 28 stars in all. Boom, did my writing. That is how we use a picture to help us solve a problem. This is how we use a letter to represent the unknown, and these are the steps we take.